It's 24 hours of cooking and food. Tara Tesher has to be in our show. And here's what's fun is you've got a lot of new items on the day. This is a brand new item from Temp-tations. Now, it's an ice cream cup, but it's a vertical 15-ounce ice cream cup. Not just an ice cream cup. It's the best of everything that you love about Temp-tations in your stoneware. Yeah, you're going to get the full set of 4, Tara. They're brand new today.
I know.
Look at the seasonal prints. They are so cute. I want to show you.
Patterns and prints are amazing, you guys.
I want to show you all the patterns.
All right, you want to do that first?
And then we'll talk about all the fun things that you can do with it, because it's not a one-hit wonder, and that's what we love about Temp-tations.
I scream, you scream, we all scream.
One of the many things.
One of 21 brand new items on the day.
Man, okay, so this one's called ice cream.
You've only ever seen this in our gloves so far, and you said, please bring it in the stoneware. We love it.
Oh, it's so cute. And it's almost like a Newport teal color.
Oh, I love that.
I'm shooting from the hip. And then I love the like mint and the pink. It's a really cute color combination.
Super fun.
You get all 4.
Scream summer.
Okay, the next one just I think is adorable. Here's the umbrellas.
Margaritas.
Because everybody always wants a little umbrella in their drink. Even if you don't have the umbrellas, you always can. Yeah, perfect for frozen margaritas. Mary said because when it rains, it pours.
I appreciate that.
That was
Mary's.
I thought that was cute. It's a punny cup. Patriotic, so if you love your classic Americana, great for
like
summertime.
Root beer float and everything Americana.
Yes.
Come on.
My dad used to make homemade root
Of
beer,
course,
and
same
we'd
with
always have floats. Okay, here's your Doodle Doo. Doodle Doo's been a very popular, newer print.
Yes.
In the Temp-tations, we have it in black, and then we also have the set of red.
Love that. Love the idea of getting 2 sets and mixing and matching
See, I
those.
would leave these out on my open shelves because they just look so
roosters
cute.
are good luck in your kitchen, so if you're thinking about gifting these, that's really nice.
Oh, what a great idea. And then the one that I collect, the woodland. So you've got woodland and buttercream. And then you have woodland and white. Woodland often sells out first.
Especially in the white. It's very rare that we get to the end of a presentation with
beautiful texture. And if you want to like decorate with them, grab the woodland. We'll show you an idea in just a second. Floral lace here in the gray. We have it in the cranberry. We also have the black, the red choice, and then the blue choice in the floral lace. Now up top, we've got Old World in the confetti. Now that's just, it's like birthday party.
Yeah,
it's just fun.
Absolutely. Mixing and matching all of your colors.
Yes, we've got the blue and then your green. Tara, this is such a great idea.
Aren't these great?
Because I know we call them ice cream
cups.
Because they do have that like vintage parlor.
It is the vintage,
look.
100%.
Yeah.
Yes. Like if you remember going to the diners as a kid, and I do, and I always went with my parents, we always had those glass parfait cups and ice cream cups. So I wanted to kind of take that homage to that throwback and really create these beautiful pedestal bases, beautiful 15 ounces in total capacity. And again, I love the fact that they're stoneware now. So what's great about this, that ice cream, that root beer float will stay colder longer because you can chill these ahead of time. So this is truly why they were designed, right?
Yeah, for the milkshake,
the cute
the sundae.
Right, exactly. All of those great, fun, feel-good things that bring us back to, again, a simpler time when we were younger, growing up. What did we serve it in? Of course, we had our adult drinks, and then we have our kid drinks, right? So these could be your root beer floats and your hot fudge sundaes, your banana splits, all of those great things that you want to serve in your ice cream cups. But then also, it's Temp-tations, right? So these still go in the oven up to 500 degrees, the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, the dishwasher.
How fun.
We did a little, like, if you're thinking about portion control, now you can have a fun little spaghetti dinner right in these cups, right?
I also just think too, if you're preparing food for little ones, honestly, sometimes just putting it in it, like with my kids, I've got an 8 and a 6-year-old.
Yes.
Just kind of positioning it differently. It's spaghetti and meatball night. And they're like, not again.
Then they would
but it's
love.
In these cool cups. Or chicken
French
tenders
fries.
or chicken nuggets and French fries. I mean, I could just see their eyes light up. Like, how fun.
Your kids would love it, and I would love it.
Yeah, well, and the kid
for
at heart. I mean, there's a kid in all of us. Of course, like your overflowing big sundaes.
Look how beautiful
I love
that
what you
is.
did here, too. Look how pretty. You put the cookie right on top.
Yeah. And I love, again, the fact that 15 ounces with those great pedestals, all individually hand done. These are, we have never, in the 21 years that I've been sharing Temp-tations here, have we ever done these ice cream cups. We did like a TV tray. You guys love the TV trays. So these are those throwback pieces that are now modernized with Temp-tations.
Okay, hold the phone.
This is a cute idea.
This is genius. You flipped it upside down, and it's a candle holder.
Right.
You flipped it the other, I mean, you use it as a vase. This is how, if you're not serving ice cream or your fabulous drinks, how you can use it as part of your home decor.
And a lot of times when you're having a dinner party and you want to line things down the table, you can do that now and just add various heights with candles and flowers.
And they all match.
And they all match.
So these four scattered lengthwise on the table, centerpiece done.
These are amazing. I'm telling you, everybody loves going back to ice cream, root beer floats, all of those great things that were always done in glass, now done in stoneware. So you literally can put soup in here and put it in your oven right under the broiler, right?
So
French onion soup.
Little, thank you. French onion soup could be delicious. My dad used to make cola, and we'd have a homemade, cola and root beer floats all summer long. Okay, here's the ice cream. Now there's only 400 to go around in that ice cream. Now the umbrella.
Oh, I can't.
It's so fun.
It's my fave. I love the lime greens and the pinks.
It's just cute and playful. There's 300 left. Those are going to go very quickly. Gosh, patriotic. So if you love classic Americana, you do your 4th of July barbecues. Look how great that is. Doodle do in black or red. Now there's 400 if you want the black, 900 if you want the red. In woodland, we've got that in buttercream. And then in white, there's 500 to go around. That one, it gives you like the wood grain texture. White, really popular, especially to that down your table with flameless candles, a vase. It's gorgeous.
You can turn it into anything. Absolutely
Floral
stunning.
lace in gray, 250. Ooh, holy cats.
I'm not surprised.
Cranberry, 600. Wow. Ooh, okay, 400 in the cranberry. 400. Black, ooh, 500 to go around. Classic red. There's only 600. And then the blue.
This is gorgeous.
Really popular in that blue. Okay, up top is your old world in confetti.
Yes.
Your blue.
Right.
And green. Now, if you want that confetti, there's only 800 to go around. It's K82734. Was it 300 in the blue? 200 in the green. We're not even in the thick of spring and summer yet,
I was just going to say, and by the way, we've never done anything like this, so layering this in with your dinnerware is really fun because these become drink glasses also. So think about iced teas,
and they're so durable.
Lemonades. Exactly. It's stoneware, right? So it's everything you love. So these pieces go in the microwave. So when you want to reheat something, again, we call them ice cream cups because, of course, we have to name them something, and they are an homage and that vintage feel from when we went to those diners when we were younger and they were in glass, now in stoneware. So Temp-tations modernized it, right? Our grandmothers used stoneware, their grandmothers used stoneware. She didn't have a stoneware ice cream cup.
Not like this. But I think that's the beauty of Temp-tations and why so many of us, it really is like the bread and butter of our kitchen, the working horses, because it is so durable. It's not just something that's just for ice cream. Look, you've got your chicken tenders and fries. You could do your sundaes. You could do your teas. Maybe you started drinking smoothies in the morning. I love to drink like extra protein in a smoothie,
for sure,
or after a workout. I got to tell you, it's a lot more enjoyable in a beautiful glass.
And I have to say,
I'm more likely to eat that.
You will eat
kale
it or drink
smoothie.
it, right? And because it's stoneware, you know it's going to stay nice and cold, which is great.
Good point. Yeah, keep it cold.
One of 21 new items on the day.
21 new items. You've got a full hour later tonight.
Yes,
10
2
to
hours.
midnight.
Yes, 10 to midnight. Yes, 17 new in that show. Can't wait. We call March Madness here at Temp-tations.
Oh, that's fair. That's fair. Okay, we've got a lot of exciting things happening. Hey, if you